Hi you guys, it's me again. Hey, I just want to show you something real quick. These are some more bumblebees that I made, and I decided to add flowers and things to them. And I got a beautiful package from my friend Susie, and I'm going to show you guys that package right now of Happy Mail. And she sent me some really cool flowers. I cannot find them anywhere. Amazon, Temu, I cannot find them anywhere. I don't know what I would call them. If I in my searches, I've tried everything and I can't find them. But these are with, you know, some of the moths and the bumblebees that I recently purchased. And I added flowers to them. Look at this one. Isn't that gorgeous? So pretty. So this is one of the beaded bumblebees that I had. And then I did this one. Oops. I better put this down because I'm going to break something. So these are the flowers that she sent me in my Happy Mail package. And she sent me a little package of pink ones and a little package of white ones. And so I did use some of these in a couple of these bumblebees. Not this one. I didn't want to use too many of them, so I did go easy on it. I can't remember what other one. I know I used them. I've got them on this one. Yeah, so I used them on this one and this one. So, but I didn't want to overuse them, and so I went into my supplies, and I had these little flowers. And so what I did was I found a couple of my little white ones. I don't know where the rest of mine are. I've got some more, and I'm going to find them. But I found some of my white ones, and I cut off a piece of the metal from one of these, and I did make some of my own. They're not here right now, but I did make some of my own, just a couple, because I only had a couple of flowers. So I put them on the wires, and I put the pearls in the centers and all that good stuff. But she sent me these, and I love them. So Susie, you have to tell me where you got these, my dear, and give me a link or something, because I've got to have more of those already made. I did order some of this gold wire, and like I said, I know I have more of these little flowers, but I don't know where they are. And then she sent me these. These are super pretty, and I'm not sure what I'm going to be using them on yet, but I have a couple of ideas already. These are cool. Look at those. Aren't those pretty? And they're just, it's almost like a sequin type product. And those are super pretty. I was thinking I might actually get one of these on my little white bird here somewhere. I haven't quite decided exactly how I'm going to do her. She sent me this. Susie, thank you so much, by the way. You're just so kind, and I appreciate all the stuff you sent to me. It's so beautiful. This is something I've never had. She sent me a bunch of things I've never had. So far, I've never had any of these. So I got this. And again, I don't know where she got these from. I have no idea. So for right now, you guys, I don't have any links for any of this. But if I do find some, I will get them to you. And I don't think this was in her package, but it might have been. I don't know. This might have been mine that I dropped in her box. And look at this. She sent me 2 of these. They're compact mirrors, you guys, and they're in a little wooden thing. They've got one mirror and one area where you can put something else in there. You could put earrings, you could put whatever, jewelry, whatever you want. And it's got the magnetic closure, so I can't wait to do those. I got 2 of those. So that'll be something new and fun for me to do. I think they're made with bamboo. It looks like bamboo. Some little, these are like felt, but they're like on a hard surface hearts. They're like, they've got that spray felt on them, little hearts. And just as I was talking the other day about how I was out of this lace, what did I do? I got a package from Susie, and look at, she sent me some more of my lace. I'm so excited. Thank you, Susie. Oh my goodness, it's like you were reading my mind. I can't believe it. She's so sweet. So I got that, so now I don't have to worry about ordering that for a little bit. And then I got this. And this is it's just on a, it's got like a plastic backing, but it's all rhinestones. And this will come in super handy because I can use each piece separately and use it in lots and lots of projects. So this is super awesome because I will be using it a lot for backing of flowers, and they look like a leaf shape, so I could make leaves out of them, all kinds of stuff. And then she sent me these. I'm looking for the opening here. Sorry about all the crinkling, you guys. I did not open everything and take it out. I'm trying to do this because I don't want to put these in another box until I have acknowledged Susie and said thank you, because I have gone way too far off in doing that on my Happy Mail packages, and it's shameful. It makes me upset that there are Happy Mail packages that haven't gotten shown. And the thing is it was my craft room. My craft room was just too much of a disaster. And if I didn't have time to do it right away, they would get put in with other things. And then I felt really bad because I didn't know which ones were which. And it was bad. So I'm not going to do that anymore, you guys. So these are some beautiful flowers. You all know I'm going to be using those frequently. So I got those. And there's more. She sent me some of my other favorite. Look at you guys. I got some more of the scallops that I love so much. Oh my gosh, Susie, thank you, thank you, thank you from the bottom of my heart. You know this is my absolute favorite of the rhinestone chains. So thank you so, so much. I am going to treasure that. And I got this piece of trim. Look at that. These are beads and rhinestones. Isn't that gorgeous? I love it. And I have about a 1.5 foot of that. So pretty. And I got these flowers. And these are something I've never... it's amazing how she sent me so many things that I have literally never had before. Look at these flowers. Oh my goodness. Look at these. They are so, so pretty. Look at that. So sparkly. They're rhinestones and they are gorgeous. So I can't wait to use those. And again, something I have never seen or had before. So I'm going to be coming up with some good projects, you guys. And then I got some of this trim, which it's similar to some of the trim that I've had before, but it's not. I'm looking to see if this has that fold over piece, and I don't see it. There? Yes, it does. So this is just a narrow trim, but look at it. It's got pearls and stuff. It's similar to some of the trim that I've had before, but it's not the same. It's got a shape to it, and look at the pearls and everything in there. It's gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So I've got a couple feet of that. And then I've got these two trims. And I'm not going to open the rolls. They kind of stick to the bag. So these are like the sticky trims. But yeah, this is all rhinestones. Super pretty. And then this one's a little stickier. And then this one's got a lot of pearls and rhinestones. So these are going to be awesome to use, especially on maybe some of my boxes and things that I need trims on. These work amazing for that. So I got those. She sent me a piece of this trim, which is very pretty. And then I've used a couple of these recently, but they were, I think from the other ones that I had, she sent me some more butterflies or bows, whichever you want to call them. They look like butterflies to me, but they could also be bows. And then she sent me a piece of this lace, and I think most of you probably know this lace, and I love it, love it, love it, and I'm going to find a box to use this on. I've been wanting to do a box and put some really pretty laces on it, but I hadn't had any of this in a while. So this is going to be perfect for that box, and I'm going to leave it just where it's at because I hope to be doing that box soon. So I've got a lot of projects lined up right now, you guys. I know that's probably not what you want to hear, but I do. I have a lot of things lined up. And then I also want to show you, my friend Deanna sent me a whole bunch of pen blanks. Look at this, you guys. So I get to make some more pens, and I'm super excited because I found a whole bunch of my beads and stuff. So we're going to make some beaded pens, and maybe I'll use some as giveaways, and I will sell some in my store. And yeah, so I'm going to be doing some pens too. So anyway, you guys, that's it. I just wanted to show you how pretty these bumblebees were, because I made some more since I made my other video the other day. And they all just turned out absolutely gorgeous. In fact, a couple of the ones that I had done originally, I actually took them apart and redid them because I found a better way to do them. So yeah, I did do that. I do that a lot. So these are my latest bumblebees. And I've got myself a nice box here that I'm storing my bumblebees in. And you can see I've got some in here. And most of these are the ones you've already seen. And then these are the ones I just did. So yeah, super pretty. Look at that. I have a nice big box of bumblebees now. So a couple of those will be going in my giveaway packages. I'm going to make 2 of them, you guys. I decided there's going to be 2 packages, and I'm going to do that soon. I will get that together for y'all so that you can get in on the raffle, and we'll start that up very soon. And so yeah. That's it. That's all I wanted for this video. Oh, look at this one, you guys. I wanted to show you this because I did find this bead here, and this was something I got in Happy Mail. It's super pretty. It's got the purples in it. And then I also had this dangle earring that I've had for quite some time, and I'm going to hang that probably from sort of off to the side of the wing on this one. Look at how gorgeous that's going to be. Oh my goodness, I can't wait to finish that one up. So I've got that one out so that I can finish it up. Okay, so that's it, you guys. Thanks for tuning in. I know this is a super short video, but I wanted to do it. I wanted to show you guys my Happy Mail and my bumblebees, the other ones that I did, and that's it. So that's all I've got for you today. Thanks a lot, you guys. This may be added in on a day that I do another video, and so it'll just be kind of a bonus video. So that's it. Love y'all. Have a great day. God bless. Take care of yourselves. Stay safe. Stay well. Love your family. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.